So this is the mail that I got after the call, uh, where they have mentioned all the topics that I need to prepare for the video interview. So you can see it is saying that, dear Stuti, thanks for showing interest, etc. And then in this round of interview, you'll be required to give a short teaching demo on any conceptual topic. So you can choose topic of your choice for the demo. Okay, and apart from this, there will be a Q&A round for the following topics. So all the topics are there. From biology, you have cell, human physiology, reproduction, plant physiology. From physics, you have electromagnetism, light, motion, gravitation. And from chemistry, you have acid, bases and salt, metals and non-metals, structure of an atom, techniques of separation of mixtures. So these are the, you know, topics from where your Q&A round will be. I mean, they will be asking question from these topics only. So you have to thoroughly prepare these topics, and I will also share with you the questions they have asked, so you can have an idea like how you can prepare and what to prepare. Let's see. So since I had applied for science field, so my questions are related to science, that is physics, chemistry and biology. If you had applied for maths, so accordingly your questions will be different. Okay, so let us see. Okay, for before starting these questions, they asked me to give a presentation or a demo. Okay, so the demo that I gave in the video, that was different, and then in the interview itself, in the Zoom interview, they asked me to give a 5 to 7 minutes demo. I did not use any PPT or any whiteboard. It's just I explained whatever I could with my normal hand movement and all. Okay, I did not use any PPT board, anything. Okay, so let us see what are the questions they asked. So the first question was related to plants respiration and transpiration. When do the plants respire? Okay, I mean the time, the day, night. So respiration takes in during the day or during the night, transpiration during the day or during the night. What is the process? Okay, the difference. You need to read facts related to these things. Okay. The next question was regarding your prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, basically the difference between these two, and you need to be thorough about all the parts in the cells. Okay, for example, protoplasm, what is cytoplasm, what is protoplasm, what is Golgi bodies, ribosomes, mitochondria. I mean the definitions, their functions, and where they are located. Everything you need to know about them. Okay. Then comes your reflection and refraction. Basically the difference between reflection and refraction, the definition. Okay, and you have several images formed at different conditions, so you need to be careful about that also. Then the question was regarding dispersion scattering. Again, difference. So when can anyone tell the difference? If he or she knows the proper definition of this both. Okay, so in one question they are asking two. So here you can see you need to know the definition of dispersion, you need to know the definition of scattering and the difference. Okay, next is atomic number. Basically the proper definition of atomic number, what they have asked me. You can also remember the atomic numbers of various more atoms. Then strength of electromotive force, this was important. They may ask you the definition or may ask you to explain what is this. Okay, so simply first you obviously will give the definition, then if they ask you to explain this, you have to explain this also with an example. Then molecules and compound definition, and also they asked me few examples of both. Give some example of molecule, give some example of compounds. Okay, how do you differentiate that, something like that. Then about the reproductive hormones, about the male reproductive hormones, and about the female reproductive hormones. Okay, their names, their functions, everything. Because what happens, sometimes people get confused, which is your male reproductive hormone, which is female reproductive hormone. So they also try to confuse, but you have to be very confident about your answers. Then simple, they asked me the definition of sporophyte. That's it. Okay, either you answer or you skip. If you don't know, tell that ma'am also I don't know this. They'll ask you the next question. Okay, but don't mess up. Okay, don't give fuzzy answers. Okay. Then the question was components of blood. For example, like RBC, WBC. So you have to name all the components. Okay. And then they asked me what is the neutralization reaction and explain it with an example. BMI, that is your body mass index. So what is body mass index? A proper definition they are required. Gastric juice, where is it located and what is its function? Okay, so you have to know that it is located in stomach and what is its function. So it's not that okay, I'm telling you this questions, they will ask you these questions. They will ask you questions like these. Okay, these are your examples. For your reference, you can use, okay, such type of questions can be asked. Now, they have asked me gastric juice. They might ask you about bile juice. So you need to know what type of questions can be asked during the interview. Okay, so these are the questions. I have already showed you the topics and the specific questions according to my memory. Whatever questions they had asked, I had tried to write it down here. And if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. And please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All the best, and do inform me about your results. Thank you. Bye.